everybody, how you guys doing? As you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm just about to make my daughter's birthday cake. I went out yesterday with some group of friends. I am absolutely tired, and I thought I was having the time of my life, and I was honestly doing. So basically, I came home really late, and when you have young children, you still need to wake up when they call for breakfast. So that is what is doing me. So I don't even know how this cake is going to turn out, but I will try my utmost to make something really yummy for her. She's so excited. Yeah, she can't wait. We have been counting like days to her birthday, and I'm not going to let her down. I think I'm just going to power through with coffee. I'm just going to power through with coffee because I'm absolutely like, oh, why did I go out last night? But you know what? Sometimes mommy still need to do something. They need to swag out a little bit. So yeah, let me just go whack myself coffee, then I'll start baking. Just going to go with the strongest one. I think I'm going to go with the black one. It's going to be so bitter, which is this one here. Ugh, it's going to taste disgusting. I am not a very like coffee person, but on a time like this, I just do it. I will leave the measurements of the cake down in the description box down below, so it will be easier for you to follow exactly what I am doing. car, I'm like a mess, but it doesn't really matter. I forgot to pick up cream, full fat cream yesterday. I'm just like, oh, can't do this. Yesterday I was buying all this thing and a lady saw me, was just like, are you sure you've picked everything? I was just like, I think so. So it turned out that I did not pick milk, so I still have to drive to the shop to go pick milk so that I can do my icing tonight, because tomorrow is the party. And it's already like 6 o'clock in the evening. I don't even know how I'm going to survive. I am really tired.